Where to find the best sites. Banking and financial careers. Hello. The best internet resources about how to become a commercial appliance repairman. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to become a commercial appliance repairman is 0.r.msn.com. See the page titled Be an Appliance Repairman. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.faa.gov, especially the page How to Become a 14 CFR Part 145 Domestic Repair. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see appliancerepair.startup.com. The web page Appliance Repair Startup, learn appliance repair, how to. This is the link.